It's another Real Talk Philippines exclusive here at the Fashion Forest Season 25 at the Crown Plaza Galleria, Manila. And we are lucky to have the owners of Satin is Life. And right now we have Rafi and Justin Valencia. Hi!
Hello.
Ayan. Pero first question, it's not their first time here at Real Talk Philippines. But right now, from owner of Satin is Life, now you are also designing. So, ano yung nag-push sa'yo para gawin to? And you will tell us something about your design for today.
Wow, napakagandang question naman yan po, sir. So actually, sa una talaga po, benta lang. Hindi ko po ina-expect talaga na darating po kami sa moment na yung mga product items po namin, irarampa po ng mga model. So nakakataba po siya ng puso. Nag-udyok din po sa akin since nandito na rin po kami sa business na from sleepwear. So, innovate na rin po kami na pasukin na rin po yung mga gowns for bridesmaids. So, ayan. And also, dahil din kay Lord to, na ginaid niya kami para mapunta kami dito.
Ayan. Pero syempre, we all know that satin is an elegance and it's also, sabi nga natin, parang ito yung ginagamit ng mga mamahalin para talagang yun eh. So, I'm just curious. Why Satin is Life?
Well, Satin is Life, it came from the word satin. So lahat ng mga product namin, we are specialized in satin fabric. So it is originally from the pajamas, sexy dress, and then the day na na-realize namin we need to extend. So ibig sabihin, kailangan natin magbigay pa ng mas magandang design using the satin fabric. Yes.
Okay.
And ano ko lang din po na Satin is Life. So, nagulat na lang din kami one time na Satin and Justin. So, my real name is Justin and Satin. And sa ngayon, eto po yung life ko. Yung life naming mag-asawa. Kaya Satin is Life.
And kay Rafi naman, Justin is Life.
Yes.
Ayan, talagang very in love to each other. Pero tell us something about your collection. Your models will be wearing rust color. Ano yung inspiration for this collection?
Okay. Actually, sinusuot nila yan lahat sila. Uniform sila, lahat sila naka-rust. Kasi that color is very sentimental to us. Nag-start kami na yung logo namin is rust din, rust orange. Then yung logo is yung face ko. Kaya parang, ayan na siya. Simula na nag-uumpisa pa lang kami till now, and alam ko naman na marami pa kaming mararating, marami pa kami. Ano pa lang to, start pa lang to. So, ayan na yung color namin. Signature color ng Satin is Life.
So, as a debut collection, talagang yun ding favorite color ninyo.
Yes.
And I believe it's not only Satin is Life. I believe you also have cars, rental business.
Yes, we have also a vintage car collection. So, dito sa Antipolo, based kami dito sa Antipolo, no? So, meaning to say, napakadali namin kausap, napakadali namin lapitan. Anytime pwede kaming sumugod sa inyo kasi yung Antipolo, napakaraming mga wedding events. So advantage na namin na to masolo yung market. So ayun, meron kaming Volkswagen na convertible 1969, 1967 na Volkswagen, and then Combi na 1969. And business name is Ambitel ng Besimo.
Wow, so talagang it's a good combination. Weddings plus cars. Okay, you're newlywed, mga payo ninyo sa mga bagong nagsisimula at mga bagong nagsisimula rin ng negosyo para katulad ninyo, marating din yung tagumpay na tinatamasa ninyo ngayon.
So, yung mapapayo ko lang po, tuloy-tuloy lang. Wag na wag kayong magpapa-apekto sa ibang tao. Kasi, first of all, kayo at kayo lang talaga yung magtutulungan hanggang dulo. And also, always pray kasi si Lord ang dahilan ng lahat.
Yes, totoo. Pinaka number one na ginagawa namin talaga, we need to ask for the permission to our Creator. Kasi pagka wala tayo nun, medyo mahirap talaga eh. Mahirap mag-grow, yung progress natin sa buhay medyo tatagal. So yun yung naging secret namin. Syempre, we need to pray together bago matulog, and then pagkagising. So yun yung guidance namin. Then yun yung pinaka-the best na advice is syempre magtutulungan naman talaga sa umpisa as mag-partner. And then once na they get married, yung blessing talaga, not the financial also, pero alam mo yung knowledge. yung magtutulungan kayo, talagang isa na, as in, mag-isa na lang kayo.
Working together as one. Yan, is the secret. Nako, very inspiring talaga tong kwentuhan na to at marami pa tayong matututunan sa kanila siguro sa mga susunod na panahon, right? And that's it from us here at the Fashion Party Season 25 here at the Crown Plaza, Manila.